YouTube family, welcome again to my channel. If you're new, this is Precious Obong of IDV Properties. In my channel, I only bring to you affordable real estate investment opportunity here in Lagos and different parts of the state. Welcome again. This is an update video from the last time I came. Welcome to IPOD COURT. Are you looking for a strategic real estate investment in the heart of Lagos? Then look no further. Here in Ketu-Alapere, Akanimodo area, we have something juicy for you. Yeah, affordable 3-bedroom apartment up for sale and 4-bedroom Maisonette duplex up for grabs for that savvy investor looking to grow his or her wealth in real estate or a place for living. Like, you're also a first-time real estate buyer, then this is an opportunity you shouldn't sleep on. Come, let's help you grow your wealth here in IPOD COURT, Akanimodo, Ketu, Lagos, Nigeria, closest to the Maisonette international market. So you will be eating fresh foods and affordable foods from the Maisonette international market, closest to the third mainland bridge. Yes, the road networks here, you can see, top notch. We have estates all around, the Greenwich Estate and the likes, and we have, the Alausa Secretariat is less than 15 minutes from here. We have schools, hospitals, top recreational facilities around, clubs and all. Yes, and the juicy part is that the features here will be having an event center, yes, for people that love to retreat and all. Then we'll also be having shops where you could get all your foodstuffs and all. So it's a supermarket and all ensuite rooms. Our kitchen is fully fitted. So this is it, people. It's finishing, luxurious finishing. Yes. So what are you waiting for? It's time to kickstart your investment journey or a place for living here in IPOD COURT, and let's help you grow your wealth. Let's help you grow your wealth and also quadruple, your return on investment. And if you're considering a place for living, then let's give you a comfortable, living experience here in IPOD COURT. I remain Precious Obong. All the numbers today. Let's kickstart your investment journey. See you in my next video. Bye-bye. But before then, let's take a tour around the 3-bedroom apartment. Come along with me.